everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. I have got so many projects backing up, it's not even funny. I am just behind, y'all. I don't know what to tell you, but we're gonna get after some projects today. One of them is a Lane Cedar Chest I've been waiting to do for a really long time, and now is the time because September, my booth, I sold a lot in August, and I need to get something large for that space, something new and fresh in there. So I've got a Lane Cedar Chest that needs some love. I'm gonna give it a fresh coat of paint, and then we're gonna do a little bit of magic on the top of it because it looks like it used to have some kind of cushion on it that is no longer present. So we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do there. And I have a flour sack that I've been holding on to for a really long time. It's just got that great patina, and I think it'd be perfect for the top of this, but I'm actually gonna be painting with, you guys aren't even gonna believe it, latex paint. Ah! It's been so long since I painted anything but a wall with latex paint that this is gonna be an experiment in terror for me. No, it's not. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Don't worry about it. We'll get it painted. It's gonna be great. First, I gotta get the hardware off, so let's start with that. That is some serious hardware considering there are no drawers in here. Those are all fake drawers on the front of this Lane Cedar Chest. I would guess that this thing is from like the 70s or 80s. It's like a faux country thing going on. I'm gonna give it a coat of the white latex with the grain sack on top and give it more of a authentic country feel. The cedar smells amazing though. Just saying. It's in really good condition. I'm not gonna do anything to the inside, so that's why I put all the hardware right in there where I'll be able to find it again. Let's see. Focus on that. But yeah, it's a really great Lane Cedar Chest, so you can see Lane. Let's focus on that. It's just needs some love. I mean, somebody has tore it up pretty bad. It's a little dated, but look at those faux drawers. Ugh, y'all. Faux drawers. Ugh. Real or nothing, right? But it'll be a great chest for somebody. I'm gonna get this thing painted and we'll be on our way. Okay, I'm on coat 2 and now I'm bored. Here's the problem, it's all white and it's boring to me. And I know it sells, but it has nothing appealing about it to me. But I did promise the previous owner that I wouldn't, and I'm gonna quote her here, make it some tie-dye nightmare. I like color. Deal with it. So since I'm bored right now, I'm gonna go outside and spray paint something. Tie-dyed nightmare colors. This is the second coat. It has to dry anyway. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm thinking I'm gonna give it a distressed look, so I may or may not do a third coat depending on how it dries. We'll take a peek at it when it's done, but yeah, I need to see some color. So I'm going outside. I have a project that I need to work on anyway, so might as well use my time wisely while I'm waiting for stuff to dry. So let's go do that instead. Okay, we're in the next day. The paint's dry. So let's just put it that way. So the paint's dry, and I'm not gonna let you see me actually work on the upholstery part of it, because what I've done is I've taken a Bemis seamless flour sack, so one of those big grain sack pieces that I put some padding in, and I'm going to use those upholstery tacks. And you guys remember how much I struggled with the last upholstery tacks? I'm not going to let you watch me do that again, but I'll show you what it's like when it's done, and I'll show you everything that I did to it.
And here is the finished product. As you can see, I chose to leave the grain sack in one piece, and my reason for that is if the person who buys it doesn't like the grain sack, they can just take it off and reuse that for something else, and that way it doesn't destroy this beautiful grain sack. Overall, I think it turned out well. I only used 4 tacks on, well, 5 on that side, but I only tacked it down. I didn't permanently upholster it, as you can see, but I think it turned out really cute. It's got a very authentic country feel, and that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Happy Junkin. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.